So right, Assalamu alaikum and Namaste. Today we both are here to present our poster presentation on the famous novel The Alchemist. The Alchemist is the best selling and famous novel written by a Brazilian author Paulo Coelho. It Paulo Coelho. It was first published in 1988 and has been translated into many languages. This story follows a young shepherd named Santiago who dreams of finding hidden treasure in the pyramids near the pyramids of Egypt. This story teaches us that believe in yourself and follow your dreams. This it is a blender of adventure and wisdom. It is known for its inspiring messages and it for simple language, deep meaning and spiritual messages. Even this novel inspired millions around the world. So we both are the group members. I am Aisha Meet and Mr. Osama. Today, each of us will explain the different part of the novel, like philosophical line, summary, and central idea. So, first of all, I am going to tell you about the summary of this novel. The summary of this novel, The Alchemist, it is a story about a young shepherd, Santiago, from Spain, who dream of finding the treasure in Egypt. he believed that he believed in his dreams that has a meaning, and he decided to follow it, and he lived his behind his simple life and began a long journey. He goes to find a hidden treasure and decided to follow his dream. He meets with different peoples who give him advice, who advise him, who guide him, and with the help of these wise people, he along his journey he learned many lessons about love, patience, wisdom, and the value of listening his heart. With the help of these wise people, he discovers that the real treasure is not just a gold, but the wisdom, courage, and self discoveries that he gains. Along his journey, he learned many life lessons while following his dream. He realized that the real treasure is always within his reach, but go back where his dream first begins. The novel teach us that the journey itself as important as destination, but the destination teach us that the real meaning of life. The next part will explain by Mr. Osama.
This is Osama Shah to continue the second part as the philosophical lines of the book Alchemist. The first philosophical line which I am going to cover up is the secret of life though is to fall 7 times and to get up 8 times. As Saki Amrohi said, मंजिलें राह कठिन आएंगी तो गुजर जाऊंगा, मंजिलें राह कठिन आएंगी तो गुजर जाऊंगा, रास्ता थक हार के बैठूंगा तो मर जाऊंगा. Means the beauty of life, the glory of life, the real meaning of a life is to move on, is to means back up, is to back up and stand up after every falling. Like falling down is an incident, but standing up after that when falling is a choice. Means if you don't continue your dreams, this is not glory of your means life. Life, the real meaning of life is to cover up the deeds and the blunders which you have did, is to get up again, is to stand up again, is to continue again. Ma'am Parveen Shah said that मजा तो तब है जब हार के भी हंसते रहो, मजा तो तब है जब हार के भी हंसते रहो, हर बार जीत जाना कमाल थोड़ी है, लगानी पड़ती है डुबकी उबरने से पहले, उरूब होने का मतलब जवाल थोड़ी है. It does not mean that life has got ended when you fall. It does not really mean that. But the real meaning of life is like means मजा तो तब है जब हार के भी हंसते रहो, means when you fall, when you fail, smile and cover up that one thing. And the other line is to realize one's destiny is a person's only real obligation. Means the real purpose of one's life is to discover what he wants, is to complete his purpose. Is not when the real means purpose of one's life is not to think about that which one is living, which one is means coming in your life, and what is happening in America, Karachi, or any other thing. His real purpose is to continue his means a sort of objective, is to achieve his objective, is to continue his journey. It does not really mean that he had to focus upon all those things, all the distractions which are really means alongside him. The real means purpose of life is to do what you want. The next is the secret of life. Oh, sorry. People are capable at any time in their lives of doing what they dream of. People are always capable of doing every time what they dream of. Suppose you are stuck in a situation, in a sort of difficult situation, but the real meaning, but you are capable at that time of doing what you dream for. Like if I wanna be, for example, doctor or a CSS officer, if I will stuck in such a sort of distractions, I'm not getting quite good marks which are needed for that things, or I'm not continuing my journey with that one optimism and that one enthusiastic approach which I really want to be that. But this does not really mean that my life has got ended, and this does not really mean that I am not able to do that. So if I had to get the position and I'm unable to get the position for last 10 STs, then this does not really mean that I am not continuing and I means I have to give up. I am able to do that thing. But for that one thing, I need a triggeration. I need a motivation. I need a sort of ignition behind me which will really motivate you to do something. And the last line which I will describe is, everyone seems to have a clear idea of how other people should live their lives, but none of about his or her own. Every person can guide you that what you should do, what he should do, what Mr. Biram should do, what everyone should do, but they stuck when it comes to their lives. Like once Ahmed Farad said, अपने महरूमी के अंदाज से शर्मिंदा है, अपने महरूमी के अंदाज से शर्मिंदा है, खुद नहीं रखते तो औरों के बुझाते हैं चराग. These are those people who means a sort of don't give you optimistic approach. They really means they demotivate you through their points, whether their points are positive or negative, but they try to demotivate you, to try to means move you backward from your destination, backward from your journey, and all this is something. These were the 4 lines which I really wanted to describe, and this is how it goes. Next part should continue at you.
So the central idea of this story is about following your dreams and following to listening to your heart. And this novel show that everyone have their purpose and in their life. This story teach us that when a person wanna to do desirely something and work hard for and work with courage, wisdom and patience, the whole universe will help them to achieve it. Like it also considered as when the whole universe help those who are determined to achieve their dream, to achieve their goals. The journey of Santiago also show that the real success is lies on which lies just not in finding the material treasure, but in discovering the wisdom, self-respect, self-growth, and the real meaning of life. So, ultimately, this novel highlights the importance of listening to your hearts and believe in God's plan and trust in God's plan and never give up on your dreams despite difficulties.
Okay. The next theme which I am going to describe is that never give up. Never give up what the things are going, how the matters are going, how your life is going. Is it going good? Is it going bad? This does not really matter, but you have to continue your journey. You have to not stop moving, because slow and steady wins the race. Because you have to work continuously. This does not really mean that you have lost your that one pace, your that one speed which you are continuing the outside, which you are continuing the way before. But you have to continue that one journey, not stop. Like as you can see that if stars cannot stop moving, if day and night cannot means stop moving, if a river cannot stop moving, if Thomas Edison cannot stop moving by means not making a bulb, then why do you stop? Why do you stop? What does that really mean? It means that if something happens to me which is not quite good for me, then I should not stop my journey. I should not stop my that one a sort of deeds which I am doing. Like once Ahmed Farad said, "मेरे तन के ज़ख्म न गिन अभी, मेरे तन के ज़ख्म न गिन अभी, मेरी आँख में अभी नूर है, मेरे बाजुओं पे निगाह कर जो गुरूर था गुरूर है." It's like I had that one same a sort of encouragement. I have that one sort of motivation to continue my journey. But मेरे तन के ज़ख्म न गिन अभी. This is the sort of thing that the means the threats or the or sort of losses which I have got, does not really matter. But I had to continue my journey. मैं तन के ज़ख्म न गिनना भी मेरी आँख में अभी नूर है. I had the thing to continue my dream. And the other thing which I am going to discuss is everything happens for a reason. Everything happens for a reason. If beloved leaves Mem Parveen Shakir, then he makes Mem Parveen Shakir a poetess. If Ima Wagonist leaves Allama Iqbal, then she makes Allama Iqbal the poet of nation, the dream of Pakistan. Everything seems for a reason. If for example, I had losing something, like I've left my school, or I've something else I've done, does not really mean that I have losing that one thing, but that thing has happened because there is something else, there is something, a good sort of thing which is going to happen the next moment. It's like when Setyangu loses his money, then he goes into merchant shop. There he learns how to market, marketing strategies, and he gives a lot much benefit to that one merchant. Means through this you can think that how the thing happened, like the money has got stolen of Setyangu, and he went and he gave he learned some things and he earned once again the money. And if at the end of the story you will see that he have got beaten in pyramids, but he had found that one a sort of if I'll consider upon the starting of the story, if he had not seen the dream of the treasure inside or upon the pyramids, and how could he went the pyramids, and how could he find that the treasure really lies at the tree upon the tree where he was standing. This is something like everything happens for a reason. If someone leaves you, if when someone comes, or if you lose something, if you don't get position, if you don't be a doctor, if you don't be a CSS officer, then this happens for a reason. You can imagine this through a lot many examples which are really in life. And this was our brief presentation. Do you want to say something else? Okay, thank you for giving us your precious time.